In this video I'm going to show you how to switch to personal account. So first open up your Instagram and go to your profile. From there go to the hamburger menu, click on settings and privacy. If you already are like a professional business or a creator, you need to go to creator tools and control and then switch account type, and you just click on switch to personal account. Then again click on switch to personal account. It needs a second, and if you take a look at it, our account is now a personal account. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you out, subscribe, like and leave a comment. This video helped me out. If it didn't, let me know what was the exact problem and I will do my best to help you out.